subject verb agreement. So here we first try to search that what is subject and what is verb, because when you understand what is subject and understand what is verb, then you can put it in grammatically correct order, that is agreement between subject and verb. Okay, if there is no agreement between subject and verb, then the sentence is wrong. Okay, so many times students make mistakes in agreement of subject and verb. So first, what is subject? You know that who is performing action, that can be person, thing, idea, place, that is doing or being something. Okay, the first that comes in sentence જ્યારે લખો ત્યારે first જે તમે મૂકો છો, that is subject. Okay, so you can say, you can find subject when you ask the sentence who is performing action. Okay, if Ajay is dancing, if Ajay is writing, then I ask who is dancing, who is writing, then the answer is Ajay. So Ajay is my subject. Okay, Ajay is the subject of sentence. Verb, that means what subject is performing. Okay, કે subject છે એ perform શું કરે છે શું. Ajay is dancing or Ajay is writing, then what Ajay is doing? Dancing. Okay, so that is my verb. Here we see one example written here. Mohan kicks the ball. Okay, so Mohan, that is who? That is my subject. Then what he does? He kicks the ball. So that is my verb. Okay, so here it is subject verb agreement. So we see some examples further. So we look after the meanings. Okay, we look the meanings of subject and verb. Okay, now what is agreement between them? Grammatically correct sentence. Okay, when you are going to make grammatically correct sentence, then you should see a verb must agree with its subject in number. Okay, number એટલે we are talking about singular and plural. Okay, if we are talking about third person, if the subject is singular, then the verb should also singular. If the subject is plural, then the verb should also plural when we are talking about third person. That is he, she, it. Okay. Mohini, that comes in she. Mohini cooks food. Okay, so here it is singular. Cooks. Okay, S. That also suggests singular. This bike goes fast. This bike, that is singular. Okay, and goes, so that is also singular. But when I am to make it plural, then what would be my sentence? Mohini, then I can say Mohini and Maya, or I can put they. Okay, they cook food. Okay, they, it is plural. Cook, that here it becomes plural verb. Okay, we are not putting S like we have put in third person singular. Okay, this bike, then we can say this bikes go fast. This bikes, that is plural, go, which suggests plural. Okay, as per the rule. So here it is the agreement between subject and verb. If I put here this bikes goes, then it is wrong. Okay, so we should maintain the order between subject and verb, then there is an agreement. Okay, so it was an example on that. Okay, there are some rules which we have to see. Two singular subjects connected by and require a plural verb. Okay, it means બે subjects છે, okay, which are connected by and, that requires plural, PLU, plural verb. Okay, wooden and metal, these two are subjects which require plural verb. Okay, so here we have to put are, not is. If it is wooden only, then wooden is precious, metal is precious, but wooden and metal, so it becomes plural. Then here it also plural. Okay, so that we have to see. Two singular, so we have learned two singular subjects connected by and require a plural verb, but there are some exceptional cases. Okay, so we see that one idea to the mind or same person or thing. Okay, we see the example bread and butter. Okay, these things are two, but it is one idea, okay, or a one thing, okay, which is suggest, that is food. So bread and butter, it is. Okay, so here it will not come are, but it will come is, because it is the main singular idea. Okay, so these are the exceptional cases. Time and tide, okay, which are spoken with each other. Okay, so it is a singular in your mind, singular idea in your mind, one idea. Okay, so here it is waits, not wait for no one. Okay, two or more singular subjects joined by or nor require singular verb. Okay, કે or nor થી જ્યારે સેન્ટેન્સ છે એ કનેક્ટ થાય છે ત્યારે સિંગ્યુલર વર્બ યુઝ થાય છે. કેવી રીતના, that we see. Either, okay, so either or either the cow or the dog is there. Okay, so there are two subjects but they are connected by or, so we put dog means is. Okay, singular verb. Neither Mona nor Mayank is going for the party. We are not putting are. Mona and Mayank are. Okay, but here it is nor, then we have to put singular. Okay, is. Neither you or I am sick. Okay, which is really very near to the verb. Then we have to put the proper verb to that noun. Okay, અહીંયા મોના હોઈ શકે છે, મોહન હોઈ શકે છે, then we have to put is. Okay, આને જે નિયર હોય એને શું આવે as per the rule, તો એ તમારે મૂકવું પડે. I સાથે એમ આવે, but neither I or nor you, તો you પછી શું આવશે? are sick. Okay, either you or, અહીંયા or આવશે, or we are going. Okay, so we સાથે શું આવશે? are આવશે એટલે. Okay, so જે near છે એને verb શું લાગવું પડે? that we have to see when it is or nor. Okay, so it was about subject verb agreement. Okay, and another that I have not written here, but if it is each, then if it is everyone, Okay. Then we have to put singular verb. Okay, that you know કે starting માં subject તરીકે each everyone આવે છે, તો we have to put singular verb. So thank you, and if you have any query then post it in Google Classroom and please practice upon it. Thank you.